Here, we have 5 icons that are important for us to know. All the icons are set based on the split rule. Now, the split is either single or in repeat mode, as in repetitive. The point is that first, we need to look at the view and see if we can identify a repeating pattern in it or not. And when we look at this view, on this page, it works just like the scene page with Alt and mouse tools. When we look at this view, we can see the repeating pattern in this diamond grid that keeps repeating and goes upward. What does it mean that it repeats? It goes upward, meaning it moves along the y-axis and goes up. We can see it here. Another pattern that exists is that this window frame at the bottom is being repeated. It keeps going up like this. Another pattern is that if we consider this frame individually, it is being copied and placed to the right like this. Suppose this facade, this building is above. What's the current height? 4.33. Suppose this building was supposed to have, say, a height of 6.5 meters. In that case, if the facade was supposed to be extended and developed, it would follow this same pattern. In urban planning, we call this concept a growing whole, meaning we have a pattern that serves as our base model. It's as if we take this pattern and stamp it. We place it somewhere else. This process is called a growing whole, which is Christopher Alexander's theory. Now, let's examine it together from a technical perspective. If this option is selected, meaning y-split, as we said, y-split or split along the y-axis is perpendicular to the y-axis. We also decided that this plane will take this as y and this as x. So, when we say perpendicular to the y-axis, it divides like this. See, it's dividing in this way. If I left-click here, it splits, and so on. Now, I'll press Ctrl+C, so this is the y-split. In coding, if you remember, for example, we would say, separate 4 meters of the ground floor for us. Here, it's the same thing, except that now we're doing it manually. We place these split lines, and then the computer, in the back end, starts writing the code for us.